Okay, so I just fixed my camera. It's okay. It's okay. But I'm gonna kill him, okay? Let's go. You'll see how I tackle my brother. Hey, Austin, come here. I gotta show you something. I gotta show you something. I'm gonna show you something really cool. Wait, I gotta put on my gloves first. Get over there. Alright. No, back forward. No, come up forward. Come right in the middle of it. No, right there in the snow. Back, stop. Get over. Okay, stop. Stay there, don't move. Woo! That's hot, I kicked his butt, man. Yeah. That damn dog licked my fucking face. Hey, Oscar licked the private. He's gay. Didn't you know that? He likes licking other people's wieners. Oh, that had to suck. Hey, you better watch your mouth. Josh is inside. Lucky son of a bitch. Austin, Joe! I just cleaned it, and Grandma said I can't put it by the snow. Stop! What the heck is your problem? Okay, yes, I just put my mouth on the camera, so. Hey, Macarena. Hey, chill. Hey, look at the banana with you. I pummeled him.